Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Desmond here. I have something to show you. Now this lady here is Shisom. Shisom makes $15 per hour working as a virtual assistant. So what is a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant is basically someone who works as an office assistant virtually in its most basic sense. So it means that you don't even need a university degree to become a virtual assistant. In this video, I'll be showing you all you need to know about virtual assistants, including how to become one. Now, if that sounds like what you might be interested in, then sit back and relax. Let's get into the video. Hello guys, welcome back to the video. If you've not subscribed, please ensure you do so. And also remember to turn on the notification bell so you get to know when we post new videos. And don't forget to like this video. So thanks to the rapid growth of online businesses right now, virtual assistants are some of the most in-demand jobs at the moment. So providing assistance as a virtual assistant is simply helping companies complete simple tasks using some online tools. And in most cases, these are tools you already know already. These are tools you use on a daily basis. And the best part is being a virtual assistant doesn't require any advanced degree or any much experience. And the first step to becoming a virtual assistant is actually determine that this is what you want to do and you're passionate about it. So firstly, what are the services that virtual assistants provide? Virtual assistants can be required to do so many tasks, but some of the most common services that virtual assistants provide include general administrative work. These include simple administrative tasks like managing a calendar, answering phone calls, making appointments, and other simple tasks that office assistants do. Some virtual assistants run project management for their client. This means you will hold meetings, ask for updates from team members, and create reports on the progress of the projects. Then there is bookkeeping. Every business needs financial support to grow. Small and medium businesses often employ virtual assistants to help out with checking expenses, verifying payrolls, and creating regular budget statements. So if you're good in numbers and business, can be a stable place to start. Just apply as a bookkeeper. Then the next service that virtual assistants provide is billing and invoicing. Most companies often need help creating invoices for their clients. So a virtual assistant can help create these invoices using the company's software programs. So the next service that a virtual assistant can provide is data entry. The data entry is basically a clerical work where a virtual assistant helps a business to organize and record essential information. Sometimes it can be just general recording. In other cases, it might be technical tasks like analyzing the information you've recorded. Next is e-commerce order management. This is a specialized form of customer support where a virtual assistant helps an e-commerce business like Jumia or Konga to understand customer orders, find tracking numbers for customers, and restock products. Then there is social media management and social media marketing. Social media management is all about creating an online presence for a business, like posting on social media, replying to comments, and making sure that the brand looks good online. While social media marketing is about marketing the brand on social media through creating ad campaigns, defining ad targets, and taking back the ad campaign reports back to the business. So how much do virtual assistants make? For many basic jobs like data entry, you are likely to start with $8 to $12 per hour. On freelance platforms like Upwork, you can gradually increase your rates as you gain more expertise and specialize. Currently, virtual assistants on Upwork can earn up to $15 per hour, like Shisom we mentioned initially, like $25 per hour for specialized jobs like WordPress management and all that. Some even earn as much as $30 per hour, $35 per hour, or even more. So now, to the main topic of the day. How do you go about becoming a virtual assistant? Now, being a virtual assistant can feel like a lot of work, but there are actually some gradual steps you can take to get started and land your first job. So the first step to take when starting out as a freelance virtual assistant is to take training courses. You have to prepare yourself before starting out as a virtual assistant, and the best place to start is to find online training courses that focus on becoming a virtual assistant. There are many free courses available online. Sometimes it depends on the service you want to provide as a virtual assistant. For example, if you're looking into data entry, you might look for some training courses on data entry. If you're looking for social media management, look up for some training courses on social media management and social media marketing. Then after you've taken these courses and chosen your specialty, then the next is to determine the prices to charge. Pricing and fees vary greatly in the world of virtual assistant. So how much you charge might depend on the service you're providing and the number of clients you have. I always recommend that you look for what others are charging. Look for other people in your niche, look out for what they are charging so you don't overcharge and you don't undercharge. So after learning about your preference and your pricing, you need to share them with the world. So the best place to start is to create a portfolio, and your portfolio should showcase your relevant skills and the certifications you got from your training, and showcase this information in your social media platforms including LinkedIn and other freelance platforms. Then start applying for jobs. Don't be scared to start applying for jobs even without any experience. Provided you have the skills I have the certifications. You can apply through freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr. You can check out my previous video on best freelance platforms to start applying. Don't forget to start out with lower fees, and as you grow and get more expertise, you can increase your pricing. Then the last step is to keep on improving yourself. Learning never stops as a virtual assistant. You have to keep on learning whatever service you're provided, whatever skills you have to keep on improving on them. If you are in data entry, you can advance to data analysis. If you are social media marketing or social media management, you can keep on getting more certifications and courses to improve your expertise. When you keep on improving your expertise, you can increase your pricing as well. So guys, we've come to the end of this video, and if you're not subscribed by now, please click on the subscribe button to join the family, and also click on the notification bell so you get to know when we post new videos. And please don't forget to share and like this video. See you next time.